How to make a vegetarian pasta. For this recipe, you will need capsicum, onion, olives, salt, pepper, nutmeg, chili flakes, Italian herbs, thyme, onion powder, garlic powder, water, pasta, olive oil, butter, and finally a can of tomatoes. Firstly, you want to start off by cutting off the head of the capsicum and removing the heart. Then, you want to divide it into pieces and remove the white parts from the inside of the capsicum. Now, you want to take the pieces of capsicum, cut them lengthwise into strips, and then with those strips, you want to turn them over and then cut them into small cubes. Now, you want to switch on the gas to a high flame, add a pot of water, wait for it to boil, then add salt. After adding the salt, you want to add pasta to the pot and mix well. Mix well to ensure that the pasta does not stick to the pot throughout the cooking process. So you want to cut the onion in half and peel the onion. After peeling the onion, you want to dice the onion by making cuts vertically across the onion and then one horizontally facing towards the stem of the onion and then cut across those horizontal cuts to finish the fine dice. You want to start off by preheating the pan. Then, taste the pasta to see if it has cooked. Then, in the pan, you want to add olive oil and add the diced onions. You want to cook the onions until they are translucent around the edges. Also, keep mixing the onions to prevent them from burning on one side. Once the pasta is cooked, you have to strain it and keep it aside. Open the can of tomatoes and add it to the pan. Then, in the same can, add about 1.5 cans of water. Then, break down the tomatoes with the spoon, but there's no need to break it down excessively. Then, add salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian herbs, thyme, nutmeg, and finally chili flakes. Mix to combine them all. Then, using a hand blender, break down the sauce completely until it is smooth. Then, allow it to cook completely. Then take a pan and add olive oil to it. Then wait for it to preheat. Meanwhile, taste the sauce to check whether the balance of flavors are okay. If they are not, adjust them as necessary. Then add capsicum to the pan and keep mixing it to prevent it from burning. Then to the capsicum, add salt, pepper, Italian herbs, and nutmeg, and mix it well to combine. Once the sauce is finished cooking, turn the heat off and add butter to the sauce and then mix it well. This will help finish the sauce. Then, once the capsicum is finished cooking, add the olives to the pan and mix it well. Then, turn the heat off the vegetables and add the vegetables to the sauce. Then, to the sauce and vegetable mixture, turn the heat on to a low flame and mix it well. Then, add the cooked pasta and mix that well with the sauce and vegetables. Then, add some butter to finish it. Then, you can serve the pasta, or optionally, you can add some cheese to the pasta and then serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I hope it was informative. Thank you!